Most people think making money online takes months, but the truth is, you can make your first $100 fast by creating a simple digital product using free AI tools, even if you've never done anything like this before. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to do it step by step. From picking a great idea to designing and selling your product, you'll walk away with a clear plan you can use today. Step 1. Choose the right product. This is the most important step. A digital product is an item someone can download or use online to solve a problem, learn something, or get a task done more easily. These can be planners, checklists, guides, templates, or mini courses. You only need to make one, and it can keep selling over and over again. The key is to keep it simple, fast to create, and useful for someone else. A product like a one-page planner, a goal-setting checklist, or a Canva template can easily help someone save time or stay organized. That's all you need to do to provide value. Let's take one clear example through the entire process. We'll create a weekly goal planner designed to help people plan and track their top goals each week. It's small, focused, and useful. Step 2. Create your chosen product. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it a simple prompt like, create a layout for a one-page weekly goal planner to help people track their main goals and tasks each week. ChatGPT will give you a structure with headings like weekly goals, action steps, notes, and review. You can ask it to expand each section. For example, what kind of reflection prompts could go in the review section of a weekly goal planner? Use the suggestions that feel helpful and short. You don't want to overwhelm the user. Then go to Canva. Sign up for free if you haven't already. In the search bar, type planner or worksheet. You'll find many ready-made templates. Choose a clean one that isn't too colorful or crowded. Replace the example text with your own. Add each section ChatGPT gave you, like a space to write goals, tasks, and weekly reflections. Use readable fonts and space things out clearly. When it looks good, download it as a PDF. Now you've made your first product. It might only take you 45 minutes to finish. Step 3. List your digital product. For this, I recommend using a platform like Gumroad. Head over to the website and create a free account. Once you're in, click on New Product, select Digital Product, and upload your PDF. Give your product a clear name like Weekly Goal Planner. In the description, explain what it does and who it's for. You can say something like, stay focused and get more done. This one-page weekly planner helps you plan your main goals, break them down into action steps, and review your progress at the end of the week. Set your price. A simple planner like this can sell well at $5. Create a cover image for your product in Canva. You can use the planner itself as the preview, or design a square image with the product name, your brand, and maybe a small preview of the layout. Upload this to Gumroad as your product cover. Step 4. Share your product. Now your product is live, but you need a better link to share than just a Gumroad URL. Head over to Koji and sign up for free. Koji gives you a simple, mobile-friendly landing page that you can use to display your product link. Add a title, upload your product image, and link it directly to your Gumroad page. Now you have one link you can use in posts, comments, or bios. Step 5. Market. No product sells on its own. You have to bring it to the people who want it. Think about who would use your weekly goal planner. It could be students, remote workers, content creators, or anyone trying to stay productive. You can start with Reddit. Go to subreddits like r/productivity, r/getdisciplined, or r/Notion. Read the top posts and look at the kinds of problems people are talking about. If someone asks how to stay focused or how to plan their week, reply with a helpful answer. At the end, mention that you created a one-page goal planner to solve that same problem. Include your Koji link. Don't just promote. Always try to be helpful first. Next, try Quora. Look for questions like, how can I stay focused during the week? Or, what's a good way to track weekly goals? Answer them with real advice, then say something like, I actually made a tool that helps with this. If you're interested, link to your product. Pinterest is another great channel for planners and checklists. People usually search there for things they can download and print. Create a vertical image in Canva that shows a preview of your planner and includes a headline like one-page weekly goal planner. Link the image to your Koji page. You can also create more than one pin with slightly different designs to test what works. Instagram can help you reach new people too. You can post short videos showing how the planner works or how you use it each week. Or you can share a photo of the planner filled in. Use hashtags like number productivity tools or number printable planner. In your bio, add the link to your Koji store. Over time, people will click through to your product. Step 6. Tweak Tweak. Don't worry if you don't make sales right away. Focus on getting people to see and click your product first. Use a free link tracking tool like Bitly or Koji's built-in stats to see which links are getting the most attention. If you're getting clicks but no purchases, try making your product page stronger. Go back to ChatGPT and say, write a one-line headline for a weekly goal planner that helps busy people stay focused. Use one of those suggestions on your Gumroad page. You can also ask it to write 3 different product descriptions so you can test which version works best. Another way to improve sales is by offering a bonus. Let's say your main product is the weekly goal planner. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask, what's a good bonus to offer with a weekly goal planner? It might suggest a matching habit tracker, a short instruction guide, or a printable motivational quote. You can make this in Canva and add it as a bonus download on Gumroad. You can also record a short walkthrough. Just open your phone and record your voice explaining how you use the planner. Upload the audio file to Google Drive, then add the download link to your Gumroad product page or confirmation email. As people begin to download your product, start collecting their feedback. Ask your first customers what they liked or didn't like. You can do this through Gumroad's messaging or by including a small message at the end of the planner asking them to reply with suggestions. Use their comments to improve your next version. Once you've made your first $100, you've already proven that you can turn an idea into income. Now the next step is to grow. Step 7, grow. You can do this by creating more products in the same category. If your planner did well, create a full bundle. Add a monthly planner, a daily focus sheet, and a goal breakdown page. Sell the whole set for $12 instead of $5. Bundles often sell better because people feel they're getting more value. You can also create digital templates. Go to Canva and build something like a simple resume, invoice, or business card layout. Ask ChatGPT to help you write sample content for each one. For example, create professional wording for a freelance invoice. Once the template is ready, download it as a Canva template link and sell the link file on Gumroad. Notion templates are also popular. You can use Notion to build a content calendar, task tracker, or habit journal. Use ChatGPT to help you plan the layout and content. Then, publish the Notion page and turn it into a template. Add the link to Gumroad and sell it like your other products. Each time you make a new product, track what worked. Use Notion, Google Sheets, or any simple tool to record what you posted, where you posted it, how many views it got, how many sales you made, and what kind of feedback you received. This will help you find patterns over time. Once you have a few products that sell regularly, create a system to promote them. You can schedule weekly posts for Pinterest, monthly updates for your Koji page, or short emails to past buyers. Ask ChatGPT to help write a 2-line update email. You can say, write a short email letting people know I added a new daily planner to my Gumroad store. Then adjust the wording to sound like you. Eventually, you'll build a small audience. These are people who know your products and trust your tools. You can start an email list with Gumroad or with free tools like MailerLite. Each time you make something new, let your list know. That's how you go from a few sales to consistent income. Remember, none of this needs to be perfect. You're not building a full business today. You're making one product that solves one problem and seeing if people want it. You learn by doing. You grow by improving. That's how people go from zero to steady income. You don't need to create hundreds of items or become a designer. The tools you're using do the hard work for you. ChatGPT gives you content. Canva gives you layouts. Gumroad handles payments. Koji helps you share. All of these are free to start and easy to learn. You also don't need a huge audience. If 10 people buy a $10 product, that's already $100. If you get a few repeat buyers, that can turn into $200 next month. Small actions grow quickly when the product is helpful and easy to use. Making money online with AI digital products isn't about being lucky. It's about solving real problems clearly and making it easy for people to say yes. With the process and tools you now know, you can do this today. What will your first digital product be? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.